This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your screen sleep time in Linux Lite. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your screen sleep time, that's if you're inactive for a little while, say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, your screen will automatically go to sleep. You can adjust that time. You could actually turn it off if you want. First thing you have to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little menu button. I'm going to click on Menu. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to place my cursor over Settings. Then I'm going to slide straight off to the right, and I'm going to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where I see it says Power Management, and I'm going to click on Power Management. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you have some tabs across the top. You have General, System, Display, and Devices. I'm going to click on Display, and then Display Power Management. I have that enabled. I have the blank time set to never, put to sleep after set to never, and switch off after set to never. But if you move these sliders, if I say I want my screen to switch off after 20 minutes, I'm going to move this slider out to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of inactivity, my screen will switch off. Say I wanted my screen to go to sleep after 10 minutes, I'll move this slider to 10 minutes. And I wanted it to go blank after 5 minutes, I would move this slider out to 5 minutes. And if I wanted to turn it all off, I would just move these sliders all the way to the left. And now as you can see, it says never. That is how you adjust your screen sleep time in Linux Lite. Thanks for watching.